2020 bisini simi tabuk shokzora hepatitis C Chengjakha 1313 hepatitis B Chengjakha 3876 borok jotonono hapangni pakhak free medical service and medicines rujaknai hene hepatitis foundation of Tripura ni loji sakmabai LIVERCON no Chengjakha Panda wa Okra shaka Haste ni Mantri Okra Professor Dr. Manik saha Hepatitis Foundation of Tripura ni loji sakmabai charshalo Chengjakha LIVERCON Panda Hapania International Convention Center Chengjakha LIVERCON Jati Dharma Sangai Apandano Chengshore ka Haste ni Mantri Okra Professor Dr. Manik saha Panda kok sanani thanga Haste ni Mantri Okra Professor Dr. Manik saha shaka tabung ni LIVERCON ni team ongkha liver health for all for the empowerment of the community Hepatitis Foundation of Tripura 2002 bisini simi Chengjakha ni samuk khlainani bagai aproni simi no lukorok ni bagai samuk khlai tongka hani shaka Haste ni Mantri Okra Professor Dr. Manik saha Haste of 14 lakh lukorok na hepatitis B ni vaccination nu sagoi tongo hane abaikro dalbidal nangkumani koklam shaka Haste ni Mantri Okra Professor Dr. Manik saha
It is with immense pride and deep sense of responsibility that I welcome you all to LIVERCON 08, the 8th edition of this prestigious scientific conference hosted by Hepatitis Foundation of Tripura. This platform has over the years brought together some of the finest minds working on liver health from across India and beyond. The theme of this year's conference, Liver Health for All, Empowerment of Community, is both timely and deeply relevant as we continue to strengthen our public health systems and empower our communities to take charge of their health. Let me begin by acknowledging the extraordinary journey of the Hepatitis Foundation of Tripura, which was founded on 28th July 2002. Over the last 2 decades, it has played a pivotal role in raising awareness, immunizing our people, and providing accessible treatment. Nearly 14 lakh people, which accounts for approximately 37% of our state's population, have been vaccinated against hepatitis B, a remarkable public health milestone. Our government has been unwavering in its commitment to eliminate viral hepatitis. Here are some of the key initiatives that we have undertaken. Since 2014, vaccination for hepatitis B is being administered as a part of routine immunization in the state. Services under the National Viral Hepatitis Control Program has been initiated in the state since April 2020. At present, the rapid kit-based diagnosis of hepatitis B and hepatitis C has been made available up to the sub-center level. The viral load testing of hepatitis B and C has been made available by nucleic acid amplification test at all district hospital, Vishalgarh sub-division hospital, and at Agartala Government Medical College. Treatment of hepatitis B and C is available free of cost at Agartala Government Medical College and all district hospitals and Vishalgarh sub-divisional hospital. Till now, since 2020, total 1,313 active cases of hepatitis C, that is positive on viral load, have been successfully treated under this program. All these patients have been treated with drugs provided free of cost. Since 2020, total 3,476 patients have been detected and put under lifelong treatment of hepatitis B with drugs being provided free of cost. Vaccination of high-risk group population has been started since April 2025 against hepatitis B. Vaccine supply has been received for vaccinating 6,800 health workers in the year 2025-26.
Ashani Panda wa Haste ni Mantri Okra no Karebo Chengjakha Shakam Beding ni Tangfang Kiran Gite Director Dr. Tapan Mozumdar Hepatitis Foundation of Tripura ni Dr. Prof Bhumik no Khoboi Dekhuban Adong Rok Raja Khoragul ni Simi Pronam ni Kokthum Chini Khorang